In education, we have let me put it, a cancer in Western Province. Your people under provincial education, they have done nothing in Western Province. They have done nothing in Western Province. This is the first assignment which I must give it to you. In your tour, you will find a lot of problems in education. In the agriculture officers, I don't know either when they went or when they came back from their training, they were told just to go in their offices sleeping or eating or drinking tea or Fanta. They have not done. This year, we are going to have a hunger in some parts of Western Province. Why? Agricultural people, the way I know agriculture, they were supposed to go in the remote area, rural areas, so that people, they can even know how to plant their, either it's sorghum or finger millet or even maize. Because those experts, they know very well about our sand, even our soil. But we don't have those people who are outside in the fields, in the rural areas, so that our people can know the way they can handle their fields.